Ensure the mounting plate is installed properly. Install the mounting plate. Insert the key. Turn the key to check if it can be turned smoothly and if the square tongue is retractable. Install the main body of the lock. Make sure the key is inserted in the slot of the knob. Fix the main body with 2 screws. Remove the battery cover. Take the insulation strip out. Install the battery cover. Fix the auxiliary card for installation on the Smart Lock G30. Secure the door sensor to door frame with adhesive tape as card shown. We suggest to remove the adhesive tape on the Wi-Fi bridge and stick it. Ensure the surface is smooth. Power on the lock-in Wi-Fi bridge with the USB Type-C cable with your own adapter. Fix the keypad mounting plate with adhesive tape or screws. Remove the battery cover. Install 2 alkaline batteries and install the battery cover. Fix the keypad on the mounting plate. The installation of G30 Keypad Pro is completed.